Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So, children, in the previous class, I had started a new lesson. It is useful places, and also completed the explanation part of this lesson. In this lesson, we will have a recap of this, and we are going to complete the exercise part of this lesson. Okay, children. So, just we will have a recap. So in this lesson we have learnt about some of the useful places, is it? So some of the useful places, how they are useful to us. As I told you before that the area where we live in. Okay, so where do we all live? We all live in our house, is it? And the area where we live in is called the community, and the nearby places, okay, the nearby places we call it as our neighborhood. Yes or no, children? So the nearby places we call it as our neighborhood. So many places are important and useful to us, is it? So there are many places which are important and useful to us. So in this lesson we are going to learn some of the places, how they are useful to us. So which is the first place? A school. So what is a school? A school is a place where we go to read and write. Okay. A school is a place where we go to read and write. Yes or no, children? So we all need education. So is it? So school is very important for us. So school is a place where we go to read and write. And who teaches in our school? It is a teacher. So a teacher teaches how to read and write. Yes or no, children? Yes. And a school, who teaches to read and write? In a school are teachers. So teacher teaches to read and write. Not only reading and writing, we learn many other things also. So our teacher tells us stories, is it? And we also learn many different types of games. Yes or no, children? Not only just reading and writing, we learn many other things also in the school. So a school is very important for us and a very useful place also. So a school is a place where we go to read and write. Teacher teaches how to read and write. So in a school, who teaches? It is a teacher who teaches to read and write. And the next place, it is hospital. Hospital. So what is an hospital? What is a hospital? So here you can see I have to go to the hospital. Renu is admitted there. She is not well. Doctors are taking care of her. So children, if we are not well, if we are sick, where do we go? We go to a hospital, is it? We go to a hospital and the doctors treat us, is it? And he gives the medicine. So like that, what is a hospital? Hospital is a place where doctors treat sick people. So when we are sick, we go to hospital. So the doctors treat and give medicine. So hospital is also a very useful and important place. Same like us, even the animals also, if they fall sick and if they are not well, even they should be treated, is it? So the hospitals for animals are called veterinary hospital. Okay, veterinary hospital, and the doctors who treat the animals are called veterinary doctors. Same way, even if we are sick and we go to hospital, the doctor treats us. Same like us, even the animals should be treated when they are sick. So the hospital for animals are called veterinary hospital, and the doctors who treat the animals are called veterinary doctors. And the next place, it is a bank. Sunny, I have to go to bank today to deposit some money. So what is a bank? A bank is a place where we can deposit our money and jewelry safely. Okay, so we can deposit our money and jewelry safely. We cannot keep the huge amount of money at home. So where can we keep it safely? It is a bank. So we can keep our money safely in the bank. Not only money, even our jewelry also. So a bank is a place to deposit our money and jewelry safely. So the next place it is police station. This is a police station. Policemen work here. They wear uniform. They catch thieves and robbers. They maintain law and order. So this is a police station, and here policemen work here. Okay, policemen work here. You might have seen the police, is it? So they wear uniform, and what do the policemen do? The policemen catch thieves and robbers. They make ensure that the safety of the people, okay, safety of the people, public. They maintain law and order. And the next place it is bus stop. So children, if you want to travel to different places, one of the means of transport it is a bus. So where do we get this bus? We get the bus from a bus stop. Okay, we get the bus from a bus stop. And how do we get into the bus? You can see here the children's made a queue to get into the bus. So we make a queue at the bus stop. Okay, we should not rush into the bus. So we should make a queue to get into the bus. So where do we get bus? We get the bus from a bus stop. And the next place it is post office. So a post office is a place where we can buy postcards, envelopes and stamps. So there are many postmen in a post office. So what do these postmen do? The postman bring our letters and parcels. So the letters and parcels which are sent by your relatives or your friends, cousins, who brings it? It is the postman who brings our letters and parcels. So this is a post office. So post office is a place where we go to buy postcards, envelopes and stamps, and there are many postmen in the post office. They bring letters and parcels to us. Okay, and the next place it is a market. So what is a market? A market is a place where we go to buy things. We need many things for our necessary life, is it? So where do we get all these things from? Where can we buy all these things from? It is in a market. So a market is a place where we go to buy things. A market has many shops, not only one shop. You can see here there are many shops in a market. So what do we need to buy all these things? We need money to buy things. And nowadays people like to go to big malls to buy things. Okay, so even you children, even you like to go to malls, is it? So nowadays the people like to go to big malls to buy things. So even the market is a useful place. So where we go to buy things, a market has many shops. Next it is a fire station. A fire station is a place where many firemen work. So this is a fire station and here many firemen work. So there are many red colored fire brigades. You can see here this is a fire brigade. So this fire brigades move with loud siren. Okay, loud siren. So why these fire brigades are used? To put out the fire. Okay, to put out the fire. So they need to reach the place where it has caught fire immediately, is it? So they need to reach the place immediately, very fast. So they move with loud siren. So this is a fire station where many firemen work and there are many red colored fire brigades. So these fire brigades are used to put out the fire and these fire brigades move with loud siren. Next place it is an airport. So airport is a place where we can see many aeroplanes. Okay, many aeroplanes. So in an airport we can see many aeroplanes. So how in a bus stop we can see many buses, same way in the airport we can see many aeroplanes. So airport is the place where we can see many aeroplanes. A person who flies an aeroplane, okay, the person who flies an aeroplane is called a pilot. So the person who drives the bus, okay, what do we call him as? A driver. So a person who flies an aeroplane is called a pilot. So besides these places, other places are railway stations, libraries and amusement parks. So these are some of the useful places. So what have we learnt in this lesson? School is a place where we go to read and write. Hospital is the place where doctors treat sick people. Bank is the place to deposit our money and jewellery safely. Market is a place where we go to buy things. So these are some of the useful places. So now children, everyone open your Sparrow Sem 2 textbook. Okay, Sparrow Sem 2 textbook, page number 153. Page number 153. 153. Now we are going to complete the exercise part of this lesson. Okay, so everyone open your textbook. Keep your pencils, sharpener, all these things ready. Now we are going to fill the exercise part of this lesson. Okay children. So now we'll start writing the exercise part. So first means, so it is in page number 153. Okay children. So everyone open your textbook. Page number 153. Okay, so we'll start. First mean, fill in the blanks. A school is a place where we go to dash and dash, where we go to read and write. R-E-A-D, read. Okay, read and write. W-R-I-T-E, read and write. So a school is a place where we go to read and write. R-E-A-D, read and write. W-R-I-T-E, write. Next, dash teach us how to read and write. Who teaches? Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Teach us how to read and write. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Next, third one. A hospital for animals is called a dash hospital. Veterinary. V-E-T-E-R-I-N-A-R-Y. Veterinary. So a hospital for animals is called a dash hospital. Veterinary. V-E-T-E-R-I-N-A-R-Y, veterinary hospital. Fourth one, a bank is a place where we deposit our dash and dash safely. What do we deposit? Our money. M-O-N-E-Y, money and jewellery. J-E-W-E-L-L-E-R-Y, jewellery. Okay, so bank is a place where we deposit our money and jewelry safely. money, money. Jewelry, jewellery, jewelry safely. Next, fifth one, we get the bus from a, where do we get the bus? From a bus stop. B-U-S-S-T-O-P, bus stop. We get the bus from a bus stop. B-U-S-S-T-O-P, bus stop. Okay children, so this is fill in the blanks, like this you have to fill. Next we'll move on to B main. Write T for true and F for the false statement. So what is the first question? A person who flies an aeroplane is called a driver. Whether this is true children? A person who flies an aeroplane is called a driver? No, this is false. Then what he is called, he or she? A pilot, is it? So a person who flies an aeroplane is called a pilot, not driver. So this is false. Write F here. Second one, a fire station is a place where many firemen work. Yes, it is true. Write T. So fire station is a place where many firemen work. Third one, nowadays people like to go to big malls to buy things. Yes, it is true. So nowadays the people like to, instead of market, they like to go to big malls to buy the things. So it is true. Write T. Fourth one, policemen catch thieves and robbers. Yes, it is true. Write T. The policeman catches thieves and robbers. True. T. Fifth one, bank is a place where doctors treat sick people. Is the statement true? No, it is false. Bank is not a place where the doctors treat people. Bank is a place where we can deposit our money and jewelry safely. Okay, so where do these doctors treat sick people? It is in a hospital, not in a bank also. Is it? So bank is a place where doctors treat sick people is false. The doctors treat sick people in hospitals, not in banks. Is it? So this is false. So now we'll move on to the next main. C main, write the name of the place where you see. Policeman. So where do we see the policeman? In police station. Write down P-O-L-I-C-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N. So where we can see the policeman? In police station. P-O-L-I-C-E, police station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N, police station. Second one, doctors and nurses. So where we can see the doctors and nurses? In hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. So where we can see the doctors and nurses? In hospital. Third one, many postmen. Where we can see the postman? In post office. P-O-S-T-O-F-F-I-C-E, post office. So where we can see many postmen? In a post office. P-O-S-T-O-F-F-I-C-E, post office. Fourth one, aeroplanes. Where can we see the aeroplanes? Many aeroplanes in airport. A-I-R-P-O-R-T, airport. Okay, so we can see many aeroplanes in airport. A-I-R-P-O-R-T, airport. And fire brigades. Where we can see the fire brigades, red colored fire brigades in a fire station. F-I-R-E-S-T-A-T-I-O-N, fire station. Okay, F-I-R-E, fire station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N, fire station. So we can see the fire brigades in a fire station. So these are the places where we can see these people. Okay, children. So like this you have to complete the exercise. A mean fill in the blanks, B mean true or false, and C mean, okay, the names of the place where we can see. Like this, complete the exercise part in your textbook. Write down neatly. Okay, children, and the question answers, answer the following. We are going to write in the classwork. The classwork part I am going to send you through the ULO notes. Okay, children, so like this, complete all the 3 exercise neatly in your textbook. Okay, children, so here now it's already time to end the session. I am going to end the session. Okay, children, thank you.